Arsh, you showed up real quickly. Tell us what you're doing in Kurdistan right now with with your group of teachers and the students that are going, because I think that it's very important for people to understand that someone like Arsh, what he's creating in his country, the businesses that we bring in, the people that we bring in, the way we do this, it's going to support people around the world who are educators and are trying to make a better world. And just real quickly, Arsh, 3-4 minutes, maybe just real quickly, tell us what's going on with you and the teachers in Kurdistan.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Yes, I just from May, last like 2 months ago, somebody just joined, and that person had an idea to just gather the teachers, some of the teachers who are very talented and kind of like a rookie. They're passionate about teaching English or whatever. So now the focus on English. So they decided, couple of teachers, group of teachers, they decided to just make a course for new students, or let's say students in Kurdistan. And what was the idea? The idea was to get the students into Webtalk with a link of the teachers, and this will help them. First of all, this will help Webtalk grow and grow. That's the main parts for me. And we know that the more people you join with your link, with the teacher's link, the more revenue we'll get. That's it. And they decided to, okay, we have a mission to just to go for, which is not money at first time, which is not money, but Webtalk will just generate the money for you. So they said, okay, here in Kurdistan we don't do this, let's say, for free, a month, 2 months for free, but Webtalk just gives you this opportunity to just build something locally, and sooner or later that thing will be internationally known by many people. So the idea was like, okay, let's get the students from Kurdistan and we teach them for like a couple of courses, then internationally people will just join the teachers. They just have their CV, the students, you talk them about Webtalk, how it generates things for them. Most of the students, they have job to do. It's not just like a child or something. They have business to do. So we are, we're not just let's say learning the language, we're learning business together, we're learning about other stuff, and that's all because of Webtalk. Webtalk just gives you an opportunity. The opportunity, maybe you think first, okay, it's the money, but no. Sometimes it helps you to just go for another business, and you're doing it on Webtalk as well, just like I did. I went to YouTube. I had a couple of videos. I promote my videos on Webtalk, and I got some views, good views. So what's happened for those students, for those teachers, if they just put or let's say they have their videos, most of them, they have YouTube channel, they just put the videos on Webtalk, they generate, let's say, the interaction, more interaction will be on Webtalk, on their account, and Webtalk will grow, they feel good, everyone feels good. So yeah, the like 250 students so far joined with their link. That's a huge number for them, for the teachers. But we're expecting more students, because after that course, this course, they will just create something new, because more students want that course. I will help those students that they can't be part of this course, which is for 1 month. I help them to join Webtalk with the teachers link, even though they don't teach them, but I will help them because I'll talk about Webtalk with them, according to their interest, their business, what they're doing on Facebook or on Instagram. They can do it better on Webtalk. So yeah, that's the idea. Around 300 or 275 people, teachers and students, are involved, and it's been like 10 days. They're doing this course. They're having fun. Everyone is just happy to be part of Webtalk and part of that course, of course.